Good morning students. Today we are going to solve word problem sums on division. We get confused many times whether the question is of multiplication or division. Let's clear the concept. Multiplying is combining equal parts to make a whole, where division is separating a whole into equal parts. It can be understood by the following diagram. Here, this is total and I have divided this total into 5 parts. Similarly, the same thing is here. Now, if information about total is given or information about one thing is given, if information about one thing is given and you have to find total, then we will multiply. And if information about total is given and we have to find about one item, we have to divide there. For example, cost of 1 kilogram sugar is rupees 40. What will be the cost of 5 kilogram sugar? In this question, information about 1 kilogram sugar is given and we have to find the cost of 5 kilogram total. So we multiply here. Cost of 5 kilogram sugar is rupees 200. What will be the cost of 1 kilogram sugar? Here information about total item is given to you and you have to find information about one item, so we divide here. Now I am going to solve a word problem sum on division. If 9975 kilogram of wheat is packed in 95 bags, how much wheat will each bag contain? In this question, information about total is given and we have to find information about one item. So we have to do divide here. First of all, write the statement. Solution. Quantity of wheat in 95 bags is equal to 9975 kilogram. Quantity of wheat in one bag 9975 divided by 99. Let's start divide. 9975, it is our dividend and 95 is our divisor. Now prepare the table of 95. I already prepared this table here. Let's start divide. 95 is the divisor. Look at the table. Which number is less than 99? Here it is 95. 1 ja 95. Subtract 4. Bring down next digit. It becomes 47. But we cannot divide 47 by 95. So put 1 0 in the quotient and bring down next digit. Now we have to divide 475 by 95. Now again look at the table. 475 is there on 5s. Write here 5. 475. Subtract, remainder is 0. So our answer is the weight of wheat in one bag is equal to 105 kilogram. Thank you.